Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going to debate against Dr. Bhushan Khare from Pune. Bhushan, best of luck to both of us. So here is it. 3D heads-up surgery is it the need of the hour? Well, very well said. Change is the only constant in life. This is how I operated and this is how I operate now. Why? Magnification. Can you ever imagine epiretinal membrane being peeled at such a phenomenal magnification previously? No, never was it possible in this. Now look at another case of a macular hole, full thickness macular hole. I'm doing an inverted ILM peel technique. And you can see not only the finest of the retinal architecture, but also the ILM edges, which was never ever seen so well at such a high magnification during the surgery. Now look at another case instance. This is base excision, which I am doing under microscope. Can you see the individual fibrils of the vitreous? Did you ever see under the analog microscope? Never. This is the beauty of magnification. Now coming to the second aspect, that is field of view. Such a panoramic field of view at such a high magnification not only helps you in unraveling the mystery of complex vitreoretinal interrelation, it gives you more predictability in your end stage. And you can see without a single iatrogenic break, you have done a beautiful surgery. Another case of it, 270-degree GRT, where I'm unraveling and opening the funnel. Not only can you see the edges, but also the disc as sharp as you would love to see. And that is the beauty of panoramic field of view extended. Now coming to the depth of field, yes, this is a tabletop TRD which will give you hard burns. Well, just look at the way I'm dissecting. The audacity is just because of the depth which it pursues, which is 40 to 60% more than the analog microscope, and that too at such a phenomenal magnification. Well, digitalization has improved the quality of images of a overexposed to such a well-balanced image, or color tone mapping, which allows you a better viewing of tissues which you see. And all this is possible at an illumination which is just 1/10 of the microscope, which means less chances of phototoxicity. Filters are an additional benefit which helps you in perceiving the tissue in a more better way when it is not well seen under a xenon or a light. Nothing is more precious than surgeon's health or your own health. And here it is the beauty of the surgical ergonomics. And importantly, you are not going to carry all the knowledge which you acquire, but it has to be shared with your postgraduates. And here it allows all the learning amongst the postgraduates. These are few of the atypical cases. This is giant retinal tear where I'm operating under a 3D system, the most complicated system. And you can see 270-degree GRT, well done. This is a case of a retinoschisis where absence of RP really gives a pain, difficulty in weaving the iron limb. And after staining and with a particular filters, you can visualize even in these cases. Well, you will say only for retina, I can't invest. Well, is it really possible beyond? Yes, this article of ours is in print in IGO July 2021, where we studied the efficacy and safety of 3D surgeries in varied anterior segment procedures like phaco. And this is what we concluded. So these are some of the challenging cases. This is a phaco in a grade 5 cataract being done over here. This is a case where I'm doing a phaco with the iris repair in a case of a corneal opacity post-traumatic. And you can see the iris repair also being done. Pterygium, squints, well, traps, amath glaucoma valves. These are the proofs which I can show where it can be used. Besides, we have a wealth of literature to support the use and the efficacy of it. So to summarize, the 3D digital surgery is the need of our because of the magnification, enhanced depth image, increased peripheral acuity, all at low cost, and color light mapping. So if you see better, naturally you are going to deliver better. So friend, it's up to you to decide whether you would still like to gaze the moon without a microscope or simple telescope, or you would like to have the most details on the surface of moon with reflecting, refracting telescopes. Well, economics, lock dollars in your lockers or make a strategic move instead of storing the dollar in the locker, and it will give you a peaceful sleep. So well said by Einstein, if you do what you always do, you will get what you always got. So shed the indifference towards the technology, be an early adapter, and then keep the flag flying of your hospital and be a team leader, be a country leader in the technology. Thank you.